How to fix if Twitter's sensitive content settings doesn't work. So we can't do that on the mobile app. We open the browser, then type Twitter. We log into the profile. Then at the top left, we click on our profile picture, scroll down, settings and privacy. Now privacy and safety. Now content you see. Display media that may contain sensitive content. Check that box. Then in the search settings, uncheck that box. Hide sensitive content. And if you want, remove blocked and mute accounts, but that's not really necessary. Now, if you open the Twitter app and still don't see sensitive content, you need to restart your phone. If that didn't help, you need to upgrade the Twitter's app. So how to do that? On the Android, it's pretty simple. Just type Twitter here and click upgrade. If that didn't work, just restart your phone again and it will work. I want to improve my videos, so if you have any tips, write them down below.